My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Okay, I'm going to do a real quick unboxing of my Sephora play for August. Real quick. How cute is this? And this one. Okay, moving right along. The first product is something I've been wanting to try, actually. It's this Laura Mercier, what's it called? Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. Here is, yeah, baby. Here's the brush. That's a pretty cool brush, actually. I'm really, really excited to try that mascara. I've been wanting to try it. All right, next product. Oh, I'm obsessed with this product anyways. And it is this Buxom Plumping Lip Cream in Hot Toddy. And it's a beautiful, like, brownish nude. I love it. Next is something else that I've really been wanting to try, and it is this Glam Glow Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solution Toner. And it says this super toner has the power to help exfoliate, purify, and clarify your complexion. It says shake to activate the charcoal, acids, and clay, then sweep over clean, dry skin. I have been having issues with acne. Like, I've never struggled with acne, you know, most of my life, but once I, you know, hit 30, I started having more acne. Maybe it's because I wear more mascara or makeup. Like, I never wore makeup like this when I was younger. But anyways, that's because I really didn't know how to do it. So the next product is this Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator, and it says it helps skin stay hydrated for 72 hours. Well, I mean, you should be using moisturizer every day, but I actually have the Moisture Surge eye cream from Clinique. Oh, that's one of my favorite eye creams, so I am really excited to try this. I don't think I've ever tried this one before. All right, and then we have this Ren Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. And let's see, it just says providing comfort and protection for skin in distress in this antioxidant-packed cream specialty. All right, I've really been liking Ren skincare products, so that's pretty cool. And, oh, cool, it says, it's a bird, it's a plane, no wait, it's an extra trial size sample. So instead of like a perfume, I got this Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. That is awesome. I love Alterna products so much. And yeah, it says frizz is no match for this smoothing protective leave-in hair cream. That is awesome. I am super impressed with my play this month. The only thing that I'm like a little irritated by, but not really, is that they gave you 2 moisturizers. But I mean, you can never use, or you can never have too many moisturizers. So, you know, I'm not really complaining, but that's my only issue. But other than that, awesome. There are 1, 2, 3 products that I've really been wanting to try that I got. The Laura Mercier mascara, and then the Glam Glow toner, and then you can give me Buxom lip glosses any month. I will take it. I love them so much. My favorite lip glosses, hand down. All right, guys. So yeah, that was my August Sephora play. Let me know what you got in your Sephora play, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.